Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kids. Unit 9, Food. Food. Soup, soup, soup. Sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. Rice, rice, rice. Noodles, noodles, noodles. Hamburger, 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 hamburger. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Repeat one more time. Soup, soup, sandwich, sandwich, rice, rice, noodles, noodles, hamburger, hamburger, cheese, cheese.